All right, guys, this is Key Johnson. I want to welcome you to Zazz Freebies. You've watched the video and you decided what application you wanted to click on and you got your one credit. Now, you may have signed up on the 40 site or the 60 site. You did one, though. We know that. Now, this video is going to show you how to get your website, and we're going to take you on a backstage tour. We're going to go through each of these pages and just take you on a brief tour. So, I'm going to make an announcement. Today's November 1st, 2019. And on the 15th of November, I'm going to charge people $25 to make their website. So if you don't want to do your own site with your own video, you don't want to create these buttons, I will do it for you for $25. It doesn't matter if you're on my team or someone else's team. If you are signed up and you want a website, I will do it for you for $25 one time. So it's not monthly, it's just one time. The reason being is because I make a lot of money showing people my video and getting them started, getting them excited to start Zazz Network. I went ahead and did this so it could save me a lot of time from having to explain to people on the phone what it's about. This website will make you money the more people you share it with. So instead of you having to do it, I'll do it for you, but I cannot make free websites for the entire world. I just can't do it for free. So if you are interested in the site, we can do like a Cash App, or I can send you an invoice, whatever you want to do. There'll be details in the training on how to connect with me and do that, okay? Now, with that being said, I'm going to take you on a brief tour. Let's say you signed up on the 60 site. You're going to log in with your email password, zazzfreebies.com. It's going to let you know right here you can upload a photo. It'll tell you what site you're currently on, Zazz 60. The referral value is 60. Now, as you know, we pay you a bonus of 25% on top of the money. So you're actually making 75 when people sign up on this page. It's going to let you know where you're from, your ID number, all of this stuff, even the IP address you registered with. Over here is your referral link. This is the most important thing I need from you guys if you want your website, is your referral link. You're going to click this button. It's going to open up, and this link right here, you're going to simply copy and paste. Okay, and you should be able to right click copy, because I'll need you to email that back to me for your website. Now, this also are buttons, the same buttons up here. Okay, now once you've earned your credit, it's going to say congratulations, you've met the offer requirements, and you'll see your one credit. Now, you had to go to do offers to get your one credit. So you'll click advertiser offers. This is the place where, let's say you were working on the application, you had to take a break. You need to log back in and finish up your offers and continue building up your credit. You click advertiser offers, and there's a little intro video right here, and then it's gonna take you right back to the offers page. Okay, as you clearly see, there's one of 9 pages, okay, of offers. You can play around with the list. You can sort and shift the list around, but I like to leave it like this. Okay. And again, this is the credit points you get. This is how quickly it applies to your report card, and this how much it costs. So you know about this already. You click order. Now, if you want to cash out and make get paid, you're going to click orders. When you click orders, if you have a pending order, if you have someone that has signed up and they've met their requirements, there'll be a big blue button that says place order. And then you click place order, and then you can cash out. You'll have an option to switch between money order, check, direct deposit, or PayPal. So you'll have that option, and then you'll have the button that says place order. Now, it took a minute for my direct deposit to get approved, so I got paid by Zelle. Zelle is an app that's like direct deposit, but it's faster. Zelle sent me $275. And I got approved. I placed my order on Zazz Freebies, and I got a sign up on the 40 site, and I got multiple signups on the 60 site. So I placed my order, and when it was submitted, I did get an email from Zazz Freebies support team, and then they processed it, and I got the $275. Okay, and that was in like that sent to me all at once. Okay, so they do pay. Now Zelle is not. They're not making it permanent right now. They're deciding if they want to pay out through Zelle. Right now, it's only check, PayPal, direct deposit, or money order. They may add Zelle as an option. They just made an exception for me, so I don't have to wait for my direct deposit. All right, so going back to, so that's how you cash out. You come to orders, click place order, and then make sure before you place the order, you know if you want it through PayPal, company check, money order, or direct deposit. Then place your order. Support is where you can send them um, a email directly from within the back office. You can outline your subject, question, and then support ticket. And these are all the tickets. If you see something, say something. I had an offer on here that was $9 yesterday, and now it went up to 34. So I asked them to update that with the correct pricing on there so people are not confused. And they was able to see my email and they made the correction. So any question or concern, you can send them a support ticket. And of course, at the top, frequently asked questions, terms of service, all that good stuff. Their email can be found right here. And their fax number in case they need you to fax your ID or a piece of mail just to confirm it's you. Sometimes they'll put a hold on your account if they suspect that you have multiple accounts. They may require you to fax or email or scan a copy of your ID or something. So if they have not asked for that, then disregard. But I'm just saying this is their contact information and all that. Now, profile is where you go to also find your referral link. So I'm on the 60 site. This is my 60 link. You can update your address, phone number, date of birth, and even your password and changing that here. Okay, so that's profile. More Zazz. There are other applications that you can qualify on, but the only two that we're focusing on my team is the 40 and the 60. 40 and 60. You can disregard the other ones. More info. This is where you can learn more about us, frequently asked questions, how it work, proof and testimonials, so on and so forth. And then, of course, you can log off. Now, let's say for this example, you signed up on the 60 site and you're missing the, you don't have the 40 site. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to 40.zazzfreebies.com. I need you to pay attention to me. You're going to go here. And you're not going to sign up with your agent. You have to sign up unreferred in order for this to work, because what we're going to do is we're going to give you a free pass on the 40 Zazz. So you're going to come to this link right here, 40.zazzfreebies.com. If you want to pause the video, you can do so. Once you come here, it's going to give you the option to sign in, whatever. You don't do that, okay? You're just going to come here, right here. You're going to create you an account for free. You're going to put in your email just like you did on the other site, hit register now, and then you're going to fill out the form on the next page, and then that's it. Now, you're not going to do any trial offers on the 40. What you're going to do is you're going to send an email to Zazz Freebies. The email is going to look just like this. You're going to send them an email, support, and again, you can pause the video if you need to see this, to copy this. You're going to send them an email, support@zazzfreebies.com. In the subject line, you're going to say, can I get a free green, right? Can I get approved? Can I get a free green? And you're going to put in your name, your email, and you're going to say, I would like a free green on the, let's say the 40 site, right? I already qualified on the 60 site and got my credit. Can I get the other site so I can promote both? So therefore, you don't have to do offers on both applications. So they're going to give you a free pass. It'll take them maybe 24 hours to get back with you. So you're going to send them this exact email once you've registered on that other site. Once you've done that, they're going to email you back and they're going to let you know, thumbs up, yeah, we gave you a free green. And then at that point, once they've activated you without having to do offers, then you can sign in with email and password. And then what I need from you is your referral link. So you're going to find your link, your 40.zazzfreebies. This is your link. And it's going to say you've met your offer requirements. Okay. And you don't even have to do the offers, just on one of, the one that you did. But this one, you don't have to. So again, what I need from you is your referral link. So in order to make your website, I need you to log into your 60, go to 60.zazzfreebies.com or whatever, log in, come here to your home and status and click that button. I need this link for your 60 link. And then because on your website, I need to plug in that link on this button. And then on your 40 site, you're going to log in, come here to home status, click referral link, and I need this link. so I can plug it into the 40 site. You see what I'm saying? So I need both links in order to make your site. So what you're going to do is you're going to send me an email. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this. This is my email. This is my name and phone number. So you're going to compose an email. You're going to put in the email like this. And then what else you're going to do? You're going to put in the subject line, Keith, can you build my Zazz website? Okay. And then in the email, you're going to put this right here. You're going to say, hello, Keith. These are my links. You can make my website now. This is my name. You're going to tell me your name. You're going to say, this is my phone number. You're going to give me your number. And you're going to let me know what team you're signed under, what person you signed up with, and their name and number if possible. And then you're going to give me both links, right, for your 60 and your 40, okay? Now, let's say if it was different. Let's say you decided to sign up on the 40 and you're missing out on the 60. You're just going to do the same thing. You're going to go to 60.zazzfreebies.com. You cannot be logged in. You got to log out. And you're going to sign up unreferred. So you're going to go to 60.zazzfreebies.com. And then you're going to sign up for free with no offers required. You're going to put in your...
Hi, everyone. This is Cindy Tilson.
So again, you're going to go directly to the site. You're going to sign up with your email, fill out the form, and then when they give you, and then you're going to email the company, like I showed you earlier, asking them permission to green you. And then once they allow you to log in, then that's when you're going to log in and give me both of your links, okay? I need both of your links. So again, once you have both links, you're going to send me an email, worldcrew777@gmail.com. You're going to say, Keith, can you build my Zazz site? Hello, Keith, these are my links. This is my name, my number. I'm assigned to this person's team, and you're going to give me their number if possible, and then you're going to give me both links. Once I have both of your links, then I can go ahead and duplicate the site and send it your way. So what this looks like is you're going to be posting ads online. People are going to call you. You're going to have a work-at-home ad online. There are millions of people out there who want to work from home. So you're going to have a work-at-home ad, either Craigslist or Facebook, whatever. People are going to call you or message you about working from home. You're going to show them this site, and when they click this button and complete their offer requirements, they get their 1 credit. You make $50 if they click this button and do everything, or you're going to make $75 when they click this button and do everything, right? They're going to do the same thing you did, okay? And the money train will continue with every person you refer and help. So again, if you want this site, you want me to do this for you, you need to get greened on the other site, whether it's the 40 or the 60, whichever one you're lacking. You're going to email the company directly. Once you sign up with them unreferred, email them, give them 24 hours to get back with you, log in, give me your referral links, like I showed you right here, both links, and then you're going to email me. This is the final step. Email me just like this if you want to pause the video. Now, your link is going to be similar. You're going to have a different number right at the end. Each one will have a different number to differentiate you from the other agent. So you're not going to, you want to make sure you give me your link specific to your account. And again, pause the video and you can copy this word for word. And again, your only thing different is your links, your name and number and all that stuff. Once I have this email from you, I will then create your website, and then I will email it back to you, and I'll call you and we'll test it out and make sure it works before you can start sharing it with other people. So it's going to be $25 one time for this site starting November 15th, 2019. Thank you for watching this video. In the following videos, we're going to show you how to post on Craigslist and much, much more. So thank you for being here. And if you have any questions, reach out. Again, pause the video if you have any questions. And welcome to Zazz Freebies, and let's make a lot of money. All right, talk soon.